Alright, so this is our first sewing video. This is going to cover the knobs and switches of a sewing machine. This knob here is our stitch length. 0 is the shortest, 4 is the longest. Mine always stays at 2, unless I'm doing a zigzag, then it goes to 4. This is my stitching knob. 0 and 1 are basic straight stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5 are zigzags. Mine always stays at 0 unless I'm doing a zigzag, then it goes to 5. This moves our needle from left, middle, and right. Mine always stays in the middle. I've never had a reason to move it to the left or the right. This is your back stitch switch, as you can tell by the mark right here on the machine. What this does is it allows you to lock your stitches in place. As you're running your fabric through your machine, at the very beginning you want to back stitch a couple of stitches, and then at the end you want to back stitch also, unless your pattern that you're using tells you otherwise. Okay, this is your needle. This is your presser foot, which holds your fabric, and there are several different presser foots that allow you to do different things with them. This little knob right here loosens and tightens to allow me to change my needle if it breaks. This switch right here lets me move my presser foot up and down. So this is down and this is up. Down here under my needle is my bobbin, which comes out super easy. And there's my bobbin in there. And it goes back even easier, and I'll show you how to thread your machine and everything in the next video. This up here controls the tension as you're winding your bobbin. So your thread would wrap around here as you're winding your bobbin, and then your bobbin would go on here as you're threading it, and you'd push this and wind it. Your thread goes on here, and it can go down or up. Either way you want to do it. I prefer mine up because it keeps it from falling off. This knob here on the side allows you to move your needle up and down, however you want to do it. My manual on my machine tells me to move the knob towards me. So however your manual on your machine tells you how to do it is how you need to do it, so you don't break your machine. And the power switch is over here. All sewing machines will have a foot pedal, which is used to make them run. Some machines come with various needles, various presser foots. It depends on what brand and what machine you get. I have a Brother LX2375. Alright, so this concludes the first video, and I will be showing you in the next video how to thread your machine.